Today we're going to look at license transfer from the online software download from Siemens. This video is only going to work with the license transfer and how you do that. There's another video out there that discusses the downloading the software and the methods and different methods and explains how that can be done. But today we're just going to focus on license transfer. And to transfer licenses, you need to do that with the Siemens Automation License Manager. If you don't have that already installed on your computer, you're not sure where to get it. It comes with all Siemens software packages, but since you're just buying this for the first time, we also provide a link. So the email I have up there right now is from our web license manager, .industry@siemens.com. So this tells you a couple different important things. It gives you your delivery note number right up here, tells you the products you downloaded, and if it's the first time you're seeing it, it's got your temporary password and gives you the software, the online software link. You can click this link, it'll open up a web browser, it'll get you into the portal there where first you can change your temporary password into a permanent password, and the second allow you to just download the software. But as I said, to do license keys, we need Automation License Manager. And if you don't have Automation License Manager, you can download that from our service and support website, and there's a link right here for more details about ALM or how to obtain the latest version. Refer to this link. You can click on that link. It'll take you out to our service and support website, and on that page it'll give you the information you need to download the Automation License Manager. So down through here, here's your download for the Automation License Manager. But I already have Automation License Manager on my computer, so I'll go ahead and start it this way. And with Automation License Manager, this just gives you an idea of what license keys you already have installed on your computer for different Siemens software. So you'll see the drives here, license keys show up, but there's the web license key download. That's where we need to go. This will take us to a portal page, gives it a few minutes to load. So once it's loaded, it's asking you for your delivery note number. That was in the previous email, so we go back up here, we can copy our delivery note number. Go back to Automation License Manager, put that in. We put in our permanent password, and then the capture or captcha, and then we log in. So after we log in, it takes us to a place where we need to confirm our delivery address and our export controls. So you just confirm this is my address. You can go through our terms and conditions of sales. Once you read and agree to those, click that box. You'll get the button here to continue. And this will take us out to the actual website where we can download software and download license keys. So we're finishing loading the page here, and here once again, this is the page we get with our product information on it for download. It tells us our product that we bought, the certificate of license. Here's where you can download the certificate of license. That's just a piece of paper that says yes, you bought this software and you're an authorized user of this software. And it gives you your unique ID number. So if you ever lose your license keys that are on your computer through a hard drive crash or something, you can take the certificate number, call our hotline, and they can help you recover the keys that you need for getting your system back up and running again. Also, the download link to download the software. Once again, I did a previous video that explained the download process, so please refer to that if you're interested in finding out the different download methods. But the license key transfer is the middle thing. The green check mark here means that I've already transferred the licenses to my hard drive, but all you have to do is here you click on the license key transfer in that box, and then you just drag it up and place it on one of your two hard drives, wherever you want to put on your computer at, and it'll transfer the license over here. And when it's done, you're going to end up with a folder that is the same delivery release number is the product you've had. Underneath that is another folder that contains the part numbers that you bought under that delivery release, and then the unique ID number and the license key. So you drill down through the folders, you end up with your license key, and this tells you that, hey, you bought a product or WinCC Professional PowerTag upgrade version 14. It is an upgrade license, so you would need a version 12 or 11, 12, or 13, and then you can apply the upgrade and bring those older licenses up in there. So that is how you go about doing the license transfer from WebKey download. Once again, you have to have Automation License Manager up and running to be able to do the WebKey. You'll drag it from the WebKey download area over to your hard drive, and they'll transfer. It's a one-way transfer, so you cannot take that license and put it back on our license server. Once it's on your system, the only way to move it is to either through your corporate network, transfer it to another computer that way, or transfer it via USB drives. So, you can move it off that machine and onto other machines. All right. With that, thanks very much for your time. If there's any questions, please feel free to call our customer service team.
Siemens, ingenuity for life.